Hello everybody and welcome to Magical Maidens Reviews. So today I have something special for you, and it's something from VIP Cross Stitch. So it's some cross stitching from VIP Cross Stitch. And I'm packaging in front of you, and I'm going to go through it with you and look at all the products, and then I'm going to take you to their website and show you around. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see it. Now, getting it out of the package, and I haven't even opened these yet. See, they're both sealed. So I got these two to do. Fall is coming, and I thought it would be nice to be doing some cross stitching. And I got this one. It's with the kitty cat. And then this one for the holidays that are coming up. So when the weather is getting cooler and you're spending more time indoors, it's a great time to do some fall and winter crafts. So I really like doing that, so I thought some cross stitching would be nice. This is from VIP Cross Stitch, and again, this is it. So I'm going to go through the first one, which is the kitty cat. I'm going to open it up. Okay, so now I'm going to pull it all out. It should have all the items that you are going to need for this product. Okay, so that is just the picture, and it's showing you what you're going to be making. So if you want to save it for reference while you're cross stitching. Okay, now I'm going to open this. And then inside will be all of your threads that you're going to need. So they're going to be attached to this. So it all comes there, and it's all hooked on there, and that's what you're going to need, and it'll all come on there. And then this is it. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. For reference, it has the little picture. Okay, has all the corresponding numbers. So it has all, if you can see on the side, it has all the colors with the numbers and what areas you're going to put them in. So see that? And there it is. And they have numbers. They're all numbered. Okay, so I'm just going to put that because I don't want to get this all knotted up. Okay. Now you better be careful because your needle for cross stitching is going to be right in with it. So I'm going to leave it there, but they give you a needle, and that's the needle. It's going to be in there, and basically it's just a regular needle, and you're going to thread it in there with the corresponding numbers. Okay, and then you look at the picture for reference. So the picture is right here, but you could also save the picture on your cover, or you can go online, but that's how you're going to do it. And it's a fun project that's easy to do. It isn't hard. Everything's right there. And then you can frame this and hang it up. So I'm excited to get that done. Everything, the materials are good quality, and the threads aren't tangled up, and it gives you the needle. Like I said, you're going to want to look. The needle was put right here. So what happens is when you're done with this, you would trim it, or you save it and put this around and then have a trim. And then you could wrap this around something, and then you can frame it, or you can trim out just what you cross stitched. So again, this is the front, this is the back, and if you're looking at it, you see the material, it's a cross stitch. So you're going to be threading it and going and doing that, okay? And again, here is all the threads. They're all numbered for you. They're all numbered, okay? So I'm going to neatly put this back in there. Okay, so that's that one. And then the next one is this cross stitching one. Okay, so, and that's the back. There's instructions on the back. So, just so you know that. Okay, so now this one, I'm going to peel off that. This package is, and then this Ziploc. So this is a little different than that one. That one you can fold and it sticks. Okay. Alrighty. So now I've opened it. It comes with that. So it's gonna look like this. And you get this to hold it. Okay. So here is the threads. They're all in here. They're numbered. Okay. These are just wrapped around. And this is what the back is going to look like, and this is what the front. Now, some don't have a print, but this has the print. I prefer the print, so it helps me along because I'm a beginner at it. I think I've done this years and years ago. And again, down here it has the numbers and the colors that you're going to take off of here, and this is numbered. Okay, and see this one? Then when you're done, you're going to want to cut it out, okay? And then it's going to look like this. And you're going to hang it. Okay, so hold on, I'm going to show you. It even comes with the tassel on the bottom. So see how this picture has the hanger, and then it has the tassel hanging? Okay. So in here, you're going to have the needle to cross stitch. It gives you 2 needles. See the 2 needles? And what you're going to need for threading needles, and a tassel for the bottom. And it gives you this piece to hang it. So again, that's what it's going to look like when you're done. The tassel, your needles, and then your hanger. And you cut it out off of the, and then you cut this out when you're done. But you need it because this corresponds. And then when you're done, you just cut this carefully, and then you can hang it. So I thought that was a great little option there, and these will be fun to do when the weather gets cold. Again, this is cross stitching. Great, it's a Ziploc baggie for this one. So when you're taking it out, you just stick that back in. Put your belongings back in, and then zip it up. I really like it. I love the quality. I love how everything looks. And I can't wait to get started. So I'm really excited to get started on this project. This one's going to be a little more time consuming. Weather is changing, and before you know it, fall will be here. And isn't it nice to be cozy? You could still sit outside and you can sit in the sun and do some cross stitching, or you can just sit in the house by a nice fire when it gets colder and sit and do this. Or you could just sit there with the TV on or the radio on and just enjoy yourself, whether it be outside in the fall or in the house. And when it gets colder, you'll want to have something to do, and that's when you'll have the Christmas one. So I'm really excited. I put this back in my package so it doesn't get ruined. I think the quality of these products are very good, and I'm very happy that I've got them. So let me take you to the site and show you around. So I'm taking you to the site now. So here it is, the VIP cross stitch site, and you're going to see all the headers on the top of what to look for. Okay, and you just sign up. It's free to sign up, and you get a discount for signing up, and you're going to get this scrolling banner at the very top. It has many different things that are going to scroll by, and you see all the cool paintings you can make. And look, so there, and it shows you all the accessories. You keep your threads in there. So as you scroll down, you see their collections. You have animals, silhouettes, girl and lady, Harry Potter. Then they got the new arrivals, and they have all kinds of things. And they also have accessories for the avid cross stitcher. And then just look at this character collection. Very beautiful prints. And they have holiday cross stitching. Then they have very large ones. Look at that. That'd be nice. And the best thing is you create this art and then you hang it up or give it as a gift. Look, they have little keychains you can do. They have thin ones. They have pillows. Look at these prints. Oh, I love the kitty cat. Gnomes. Just, there's no end. Then you have the embroidery kits. Okay. And then when you go up here, you can just hit new arrivals, bestsellers. If you need just cross-stitching accessories, this will take you to the accessories. Okay. They even sell these. Thimble. Aren't they cool? And they have all these really cool, fun, and very well-made, usable products. Look at needle cushion, they're magnetic. I mean, and then you just go through all the numbers. They have cross-stitching accessory, below 99, cross-stitch. You hold it over there and this opens up so you can have animals, scenery. Okay, all these you can pick from, and then you got DIY crafts and then large size. Let's go here. You can get these for the DIY crafts. So, and then click home to go back to the home site. So this is the VIP cross-stitching site, and I really love it. I think you'll love it too, and it's a great crafting to do right now that fall is coming soon. You can pick some Halloween items, fall items to do, and it can be ready to hang up for your fall and Halloween, or for Christmas. You have Thanksgiving, and you can make a bunch of these and frame them and give them as gifts. So don't waste any time. The link will be below this video in the description box. So be sure that when you're done with this video that you go ahead and click that link and come to the VIP cross stitch site and get yourself some. There's so much. Just have a look around. There's so much to choose from. Whether you're a beginner or an avid cross stitcher, this will be a great site for you. And like I said, the products were of good quality. I'm very impressed by them. You do get the needles in there, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and I promise to come back and show you my progress on all of them. So again, don't forget to check out the site, and remember, if you like, and remember to share this with anyone you know that might be interested in getting something like this for a craft. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.